Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have a 2018 Subaru WRX Limited. This one is in the dark gray metallic exterior with the carbon black leather. With this being a Limited, you do have your LED adaptive cornering headlights. Of course, you do have these nice dark finish 18-inch alloys riding on Dunlop tires. Slight legal window tint, sunroof up top, and your shark fin antenna. Coming around back, rear deck lit spoiler, quad outlet exhaust, as well as your rear backup camera. You also do have smart key access on your Limited model, so just go ahead and keep the key fob on you. Hand behind the door handle to unlock. And then stepping in, this one has just under 2,000 miles on it, around 1,900. So just go ahead and put your foot on the brake. Press your button to start. So let's go ahead and sit down our key and we will check out underneath the hood. Now coming underneath your hood, we do have the ubiquitous 2-liter turbocharged boxer 4-cylinder engine. It is producing 268 horsepower, as well as 258 foot-pounds of torque, going to all 4 wheels through Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system, and a CVT continuously variable transmission in this particular setting. 0 to 60 will be accomplished in 5.8 seconds, as well as premium gas recommended to achieve your 21 combined MPG. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. And now coming back in, we do that carbon black perforated leather interior, contrast red stitching, as well as all your power adjustments down below for your driver's seat, as well as power lumbar. Door panel materials are nice and padded and soft touch, stitched on your armrest. Power windows, front 2 are automatic, locks and mirrors, door storage down below. Then over to the left of the steering wheel, we do have our panel dim, trunk release, as well as traction control off. And coming to that steering wheel, it is going to be a 3-spoke leather-wrapped wheel, side bolster and grip extensions, contrast red stitching as well. Now if you're on the left, we do have a lot of buttons on the steering wheel, so don't let it overwhelm you because they are divided up logically. Now if you're on the left, we have our mainly audio controls, as well as your Bluetooth voice commands, stuff like that. Down here is going to be your center LCD controls for the screen between your gauges. Then over here is going to be mainly drive oriented with your cruise, as well as your sport driving modes. Mounted on the back of the wheel are going to be your paddle shifters. Then over on the left, automatic headlights, fog lights, tap to 3 blinks blinkers, and your high beams. Then over on the right, your variable intermittent speed wipers. Now you do have a nice little eyebrow LCD in your line of sight that does show stuff like boost pressure, acceleration. You do have your clock, MPG, range, as well as various statistics that you can customize. And then down below that, we do have our Starlink audio system. So going to our audio system, checking out our sources, AM, FM, XM, we do have AHA, Pandora, CD, Bluetooth streaming audio, USB, and auxiliary inputs on this model. Going to our apps, of course, you do have your Starlink, MirrorLink, AHA, and Pandora when you do connect a smartphone via your Bluetooth settings. Going to info, you do have your weather. So once you do select a city, this is selected for the Goldsboro area, you can see your temperature is a scorching 96 degrees outside today. Going home, you have your single zone automatic climate controls below that. Temperature, fan speed, and zones right here. Front and rear defrost, and you do have heated mirrors. Storage and a 12 volt right there. Then we do have our CVT with our manual mode, leather stitch shift boot, as well as shift knob. And then in reverse, you do have your rear view camera on your audio screen. E-brake cup holders and your heated seats. Padded armrest with all your audio inputs and a 12 volt down there. Glove box damped with all your owner's manuals still in the plastic in there. Then up top, manually dimming rearview mirror. You also do have your map lights, mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor, as well as your SOS Safety Connect and your automatic power sunroof. So we'll go ahead and close that back up. And so that'll be it for the front seat of the WRX. Let's go ahead and check out the rear. Now coming back here, of course your carbon black perforated leather follows through, red contrast stitching also. All your door panel materials follow through also with your padded stitch armrest, power window, door storage, and stuff like that. Behind my 5'9" driving frame, plenty of room, dual seat mat pockets, as well as to my right, I do have a nice padded armrest with cup holders, adjustable rear headrest for all 3 passengers back here. Then we do have damped corner handles with coat hooks and a nice dome light up top. Nice view of the dash right there. And we'll go ahead and check out the cargo area. Now coming around back, you can open up your trunk via the button inside, the button on your key, or the membrane underneath your Subaru logo. So just go ahead and press that and it will pop right open. 60/40 folding rear seat, nice line trunk lid with the emergency release up top. Hinges are in their respected areas, so you don't have to worry about those crushing cargo. You have all your carpeted mats as well as all weather mats, and a temporary spare tire and jack located underneath the cargo floor. We'll go ahead and lock it up. And that'll be it for this 2018 Subaru WRX Limited. Now if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again, thank you guys for watching. This is Garrison over here at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.